Hey everybody, it's Tuesday, December 9th, and I'm popping in to show you what we're having for dinner. Beef mushroom and green bean stir fry. So this is about 1.5 pounds of steak, and I just sliced it into about 1/2-inch slices and put it in a bowl and set it aside. And then I have 16 ounces of rice noodles. I have some cornstarch, honey, ginger. You can use fresh ginger if you have it. Soy sauce. Let's see, about 1 pound. Look at this. Yeah, 1 pound of French green beans. And so, what I did was, of course, started with the meat. And then like I said, I set it aside. And then I started the water for the noodles and just let it boil. And then I made my sauce. It's 2 tablespoons of honey, 1/4 of a cup of soy sauce, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and a tablespoon of ginger. I mixed all that up and set it aside. And then I put my green beans and my mushrooms in this skillet with 2 tablespoons of canola oil and just cooked them down. The green beans were frozen. I took them out probably about 20 minutes before I started cooking. And just cooked them down 5 or 6 minutes and took them out of the skillet, put the beef in, and then put the noodles in the pot. I cooked the beef until it was just about brown, and then added my sauce. Sorry, the kids are loud. And just about before I finished browning the meat, I took out the noodles, or I drained the noodles. I left them in the pot. And the beef was finished. I took out some and added the mushroom and green beans, and just kind of layered it in the skillet just for effect. You don't have to put it all in here, but the juice from the meat, the soy sauce, and honey mixture will soak up in these noodles. And you can add more soy sauce once you transfer it, because this is a lot, but you don't have to cook this much. It's because there's so much of us. So I made 16 ounces. I could have got by with 8, but this is going to be leftovers as well. Hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you try it. Thumbs up for more cooking videos.